Hey guys, so this is what I'm trying to do right now. So, I'll just scroll down now and I'll show you what stuff I've done. So basically, this is your hero section. I tried to keep it as simple as possible because uh, this kind of looks very elegant if you think about it. And I just scroll, the screen changes to black. Uh, and then this is gonna be completely wood now, and as you scroll this stays in the same place. You constantly scroll and the flowers just start blooming, and that symbolizes growth over here. And if you see these dots, so this didn't come out the way I expected, but basically Roche is gonna try and implement particles. So this kind of symbolizes like fireflies and stuff, to just give that immersiveness. Like you have this tree bark kind of looking thing over here, and uh, pollens coming out of it, maybe something like that'll add something to it. And you scroll out of that part, and then this is Sean's graphics part, and uh, please read the text as I scroll. Okay, and this is where the computer animation comes in. This is where the complete computer animation is going to happen in a loop, and this you can basically interact with it based on your hover or something like that. And basic shapes added to the design, and this is just a placeholder for now. So what the idea over here is, like, you have this, and you have this thing over here, right? So the same thing, but it's gonna be like a world. And as you scroll down, the things are just gonna start coming out, like uh, the same way the flowers bloom over there. The same thing, the flowers should be blooming all over this land, and should be completely plain on this water kind of thingy. And Sean said he would be able to do that because he already has the same idea in his mind. And same thing, this is Roshan's part, PWA's landing pages and stuff like that. And if you look at the background thing over here, that's done by Tom. And uh, we tell them about progressive web apps, and they're like, wait a minute, what is progressive web apps? And we are like, okay, that's a good question, but get in touch with us and we'll explore not just that, but even more. And your contact us thing, name, email, let's go. Hit that, and it's gonna take you to, basically you hit let's go, the same thing that day I showed you, right? This one, this one, this one. So basically the flow is like, the user enters the name and email over there. Sorry, over here the user hits it. He hits the let's go button, and he hits the let's go button, but then he's just gonna get a pop-up saying that, you know what, let's book you a free consultation. And I'm gonna assume that people are gonna hit absolutely, and if they don't want to do it, they can just hit the I don't think so button, and it takes you just back to the landing page. And this is your next view, where you can enter your preferred date and preferred time, and anything you would like to say about we need to know before the meet or something like that. And they hit the let's talk button, and that's when they're gonna get the second pop-up. So the second pop-up says, great, we are all set. So this is a button which I don't want people to click in, because I want them to answer me a few more questions. So this is kind of, it is a button but doesn't look that much of a button. That's the idea for this. And if the user doesn't hit that, he can just look in down and he can see that it's gonna say, let's get to know your requirements if you have more time. So the user is gonna look at these four options. He's like, oh, okay, I need help with, let's say, web applications. He's gonna hit that, and it's gonna take you to this one. So basically it's like a questionnaire, minimum 3 to 4 questions. The user can answer that, and once he hits the finish button, it's just gonna go to our database and it's gonna forward him to the landing page. So this this method of being completely interactive with user is really good because instead of having one long ass contactor space, this is much better, I feel. And that is the progress so far. Okay, guys, so let me know what you think. Thanks.